Gary Glessner, CEO of Intelligistics. We are a provider of innovative cold chain and supply chain visibility solutions. We leverage machine-to-machine, low-power, portable sensors and/or passive RFID tags, along with patented portable readers and controllers. We utilize cloud-based communications technologies, gateways, in order to ultimately provide our customers with insightful information and alerts to help them run their businesses more efficiently. To get a little bit more technical on the shipper customer load trailer application, that RFID tag that is part of that shipping label that has now been encoded with information is read in a hands-free, ice-free way as the customer worker carries that package and loads it on the trailer. As that information that's encoded on the tag is being read, the readers are sending that information to a controller, also portable, integrated with the readers. And that controller is sending information up to the cloud via a GSM link. And we, in turn, are providing browser visibility to that shipper and/or pushing it down into their IT systems and databases in ways that they would like to view that information. We have another application where we've really been able to leverage our expertise in low-power wireless sensors. This time, a fresh produce company, a leading provider of table grapes, came to us with a business problem. We were able to source a very accurate portable wireless temperature sensor that we've interfaced with a communications gateway and the cloud to ultimately provide a graphical user interface and an analytics platform for them to make operational decisions as to how to more efficiently move these pallets of grapes in and out of that pre-cooler.
Our software will give the user the option of either going with our standalone interface that we have, or we can provide the big data again directly into their existing systems. Either way is fine with us.
It really is our focus on helping those companies with this new technology have a level of visibility, have a level of granularity of visibility that they never had before, that opens them up to operating much more effectively.